in 95% women come from the guilt that they have to
Yeah.
do it. You have to put your guilt aside. So, one, we need to stop distinguishing between a man's work and a woman's work.
Hmm.
Today, a kitchen, the best chefs are men.
Hi, and welcome to Unbound Specials, the continuity of celebration and the continuity of the conversation. Today, in this episode with me, I have two formidable, fiery, feisty, and unstoppable humans, women, who are not only daring to dream but achieve and succeed too. Welcoming today Shalini Sinha, a tea blender and a travel curator, and Ankita Mathur, a young entrepreneur and a technologist. So let's get started and unbound together. So Urban Company ने जब ये ad निकाली Women's Day के around this year, 8th March, uh, saying that the meaning of success and women being successful always comes very convoluted, like it's always with कि कुछ तो होगा, how she being successful or how she is
Mhm.
doing it all. So I just want to start this panel right from that, that thought itself, that is women really wanting too much from herself, is wanting success or wanting success in everything that she's doing is just too much of a calling,
Mhm.
or is this something that she actually is very very capable of doing it very naturally, and इसमें कुछ है क्या, मतलब are we getting it right, are we really getting it wrong? Let's hear from you, Shalini.
So, as for me, I don't think so. There's a right or a wrong. You should just do it without a without a baggage which is judging yourself of being right or wrong in a situation. I may
Hmm.
handle a situation in a very different way, and you may handle the same situation in a very different way, but a better way.
Hmm.
So for me, uh, one of the inspirations which I found was the Barbie movie.
Okay.
Now, Barbie, when it released, everybody criticized, but I looked at that from an entrepreneurial point of view. I mean, she made an independent woman when most of these, men-led MNCs or men-led IT startups were happening back then.
Yeah.
I mean, and she didn't bother.
Yeah.
Was she looking good? Was she looking bad? She just had so many followers.
Hmm.
Boys loved seeing Barbie. Barbie loved herself. And I think you should just be like her.
Wow. That's quite an insight.
Yes, that's
What about you?
interesting.
Yeah.
And I think I would agree with Shalini here and say that success is very subjective.
Hmm.
It should be something that you feel from inside when you get the feeling that, okay, now I've achieved, a milestone. This is
Hmm.
success for me.
Hmm.
Instead of like really carrying that baggage and, thinking about, okay, whether people are finding me successful or
Hmm.
whether, what people are judging about my success,
Hmm.
whether it is success for them or not. All of this doesn't matter.
Hmm.
All that should matter is how you feel about it.
Hmm.
So it should eventually be all about you.
Yeah.
That's when you truly become successful. Even if you see in a public sense,
Hmm.
that's when things start to happen.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, we keep on thinking about the society, the norms, and everything that comes along with.
Hmm.
So, which is something I think by default we do that.
Yeah.
I think, but consciously we should start, doing it and thinking more from a perspective of ourselves.
Yeah. Well said. But you know what I feel is that women are always at a fork end. They are, मतलब अब अगर मैं एक homemaker को बोलूं that you are living a very successful life, how many of them do you think will really even take it as a compliment? They'll be like, acha, are you trying to make fun of me, or are you really ridiculing me, or is this a better way of criticizing someone? But truly, if someone is donning so many hats in a day, and especially after a woman takes up the role of mother, where she's also a the official chauffeur, chef, caregiver, educator, everything rolled in one, right? So, like they say that women are expected to work like they don't have children, and
Mhm.
mother as if they don't have work. So,
Mm.
they're always kind of torn apart कि मैं 100% कैसे कहाँ किस चीज को दूं.
Right.
But how do you make your choices in that case? So when you are running for something like that you want a perfect house, you want a perfect family, you want perfect children, and then you want perfect careers and professions and aspirations, that's what I want to really understand from you.
So, one is for me, I think perfection is only in being imperfect. Because if you're
So
not,
rightly said.
if you're perfect, then you have no aspiration ki what next? What do you have to do next?
Wow.
What? And the second thing is that, perfection ka bhi label, or, the degree of
Hmm.
perfection, that I have to be, best. I think
Hmm.
in 95% women come from the guilt that they have to
Yeah.
do it. You have to put your guilt aside. So, one, we need to stop distinguishing between a man's work and a woman's work.
Hmm.
Today, the best chefs are men.
Hmm.
So why
Always
not cook
been.
at
Yeah, yeah,
why
always been.
not cook at home?
Hmm.
Secondly, the best chauffeurs many a times are women.
Hmm.
So why don't you think like that? I mean, exceptions are there in every case.
Hmm.
So, we'll have to stop. One is differentiating a man's work and a woman's work.
Hmm.
Every work. So, when we were talking prior to this recording, we spoke about all over the world there is
Hmm.
there is a parity. But outside India, because a man and a woman, they share every household chores.
Hmm.
So every outside
Hmm.
responsibility is also shared.
Shared.
So the differentiation is not as large as it is in India.
Hmm. Hmm.
So here, slowly and steadily, I think things are moving in.
Hmm.
But that guilt also has to stop.
Hmm.
And the guilt is only at the women's level.
Hmm. So a lot of that is self-inflicted, you would
Yes,
say. Okay.
yes.
What about you, Ankita?
I think a little differently as
Huh?
well, because even this feeling of, that we have to do it all or we have to be perfect is very much attributed to how we've been brought up, right? So
Hmm.
it's also the conditioning that we usually get right from the childhood.
Hmm.
So maybe for a person like me, who was not taught like these, like there were no biases, and okay, you're a girl, you're supposed to do this, and this is your responsibility,
Yeah.
and when you get married you will have to do
But
this.
never,
So
never in your growing up years have you heard it from your parents or
no,
mother
no.
कि cooking भी
Never. So
सीख
I
लो,
have been really
आगे चल के
blessed.
काम आएगी. Not these things
No,
have
no,
not. Oh, okay,
never. So
okay,
that's the thing,
okay.
that's where I come from. And
Hmm.
when I actually came out and started working, and even while I was in like my graduate studies, so I obviously had friends who have been heard such things during their childhood. So it kind of that time I was a little surprised, or I would say like something different,
Hmm.
different perspective I saw. And as the years move by, I realize that it really depends a lot
Hmm.
what you have been hearing from your childhood,
Hmm.
and specifically from your close circle,
Hmm.
from your parents, immediate family, or maybe even from your friends.
Hmm.
So that really conditions you to
Totally.
being a human being.
Yeah.
Or the other side is like you are really that strong, you
Hmm.
are that resilient, that when you grow up you are able to put all that aside
Hmm.
and think, okay, now this is what is right for me and I'm going to do this, and
Hmm.
that's it.
Hmm.
That's where it full stop.
But I think women, I mean, as again, are we playing that role? Are we actually communicating our dreams? Are we actually standing for them, or are we, we are okay to trade it off? कि यार चल यार सब खुश हो जाएंगे, मैं ये छोड़ देती हूँ घर की सुख शांति के लिए. लेट मी बाईपास माय एस्पिरेशंस और माय ड्रीम्स. सो आपने जब तक उनको ये एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया होगा, आई एम श्योर कि ये मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है या मेरे लिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, तब तक तो वो भी नहीं इंसान समझ सकता है, राइट? सो दैट एनरोलमेंट एंड गेटिंग दैट पर्सन ऑन द सेम पेज फॉर यू टू स्टैंड फॉर योर सेल्फ इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट समवेयर, राइट?
Yeah, because I mean, if you had to choose between those great professions which I didn't become, and choosing between the only thing that I wanted to earn and run away and do something, and I didn't know what, because I failed
Oh
miserably in
God.
my drawing competition. So I said, Ritu Beri bhi band ho gaya. Ab kya kare? So but your desperation to do something has to be very strong.
Yeah, yeah,
And that came out of my will that आप मुझे भेज दो, आप मुझे 4 साल दो, 2 years of MBA और 2 साल नौकरी के, I want to spend my money on myself.
yeah.
And he said, okay, go. When you are ready, you come back to me.
Wow.
And then, of course, during that time, Rohit was always around me, and he saw this thing. So I think वो डर गया होगा कि इतनी rebellious है तो पहले ही given कर गया होगा. So that's a different thing. But yes, there are these cliches कि अगर girl काम नहीं कर रही है तो आप हर festival में वापस चले जाओ घर. You
Yeah,
attend to the people, you be
yeah,
in the kitchen.
yeah,
So I think I was shielded around saying that no, she will not do it
yeah,
because she's doing something else.
yeah.
And today my boys at home also
You're
love it
blessed
this
with
way.
two
Two boys.
sons. Yeah.
And I really aspire, मतलब I always think that वो जिन लड़कियों को अपने साथ लाएंगे
Mm.
वो इतनी ही मतलब इंडिपेंडेंट और इतनी फ्री होनी चाहिए कि उनके ऊपर कोई प्रेशर. एंड आई
Yeah,
दैट तो आई विल मेक श्योर
yeah,
बिकॉज आई हैव हैड माय जर्नी
yeah,
एंड आई होप दे आल्सो मेक देयर लाइफ इजी.
yeah.
So true.
How about you, Ankita? Do you think somewhere we kind of negotiated ourselves only? हम अपने आप को ही self talk कर लेते हैं यार छोड़ दे यार मतलब it's a lost battle. ये तो patriarchy है, ये तो ऐसे ही होता है, ये तो lineage है, इसमें मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ ज़्यादा? What's your take on
Yes,
this?
I would definitely agree to it because we have to be vocal about what's important to us.
Hmm.
And many times what happens is we kind of ourselves put it aside, even if, like, so I am a very ambitious person. I've always been doing what I wanted to do. There was nobody stopping me. But even after that, like when I got married, and even though like my mother in law, my husband, everyone is like so understanding, I
Hmm.
never have to think about anything. They are
Hmm.
always very encouraging. So even when I had to, like when I joined this mixed martial arts again,
Hmm.
so usually what I have seen in people's families is they would be like a little skeptical. Okay,
Yeah.
like for women doing
Yeah.
these sports. So like my father-in-law was very appreciative. Wow, you must do it.
Yeah.
That was his first expression. So that's the kind of family I've got from my
Yeah.
in-law side as well.
Yeah.
But even after that, it was inside me that during the initial days I was like, okay, like I do have this meeting, but I think because they are coming home today, so I should probably just cancel it, and like
Yeah.
spend more time so they'll be
Yeah.
happy.
Yeah.
So then my husband was like, see, it's not something that you are going outside today. You just have a 1 hour meeting. Why you want to do that, and why you want to compromise, something that will help you later in your career?
Hmm.
So he was like, do not think that much. If you keep on thinking this every time, then you are setting the expectation
Hmm.
from right now
Yeah.
that, later on also, then they will expect you to do this.
Do
Even if
this.
they do not have this right now in their mind,
Yeah.
but they will start thinking like this.
Yeah.
So unless you become vocal and you focus on what you want and you say it out loud, people will really not understand it, be
Hmm.
it your immediate family or anyone out there.
True.
So it's important.
So in your
Yeah.
case, you had to really, say it out loud to your father. And here the husband is reassuring you that please don't set a precedence because
Yes.
if you're not able to follow through, then that'll,
Yes,
be
and come
further.
back to
Yeah, yeah,
us.
it'll come
Yes.
back to you. Oh, wow. So, yeah. So, I mean, it's commonly said that behind every successful man, there is a woman. What do you really attribute the success to a woman, both of you acing your careers, acing your professions, the choices that you have made? What do you think has really, really led to this success? Of course, your assuredness and your focus is one, but from coming from your ecosystem again.
So, so I think I've been very lucky in terms of the people who I have been surrounded with. In terms, I told you 95% of my area of work or my personal life, they are surrounded by good men.
Hmm.
So, while I've already spoken about my husband or my father, I remember when I was in Pune in Coca Cola, and Pune was rest of Maharashtra.
Yeah.
Bombay was the head
Yeah, yeah.
office, and Goa was balance of Maharashtra. So I used to look after uh, balance of Maharashtra, rest of Maharashtra, which is Pune and the surroundings, Nasik, Aurangabad.
Mhm.
So we did a lot of work, and I think there was a visit which was happening, and all the leaders from Atlanta were coming in.
Okay.
And the Mumbai Pune expressway, we had to paint it red.
Okay.
Paint it
Okay.
red
As a
in the sense
campaign.
replace all Pepsi with Coke.
Yeah.
So that was the agenda, boards lagne hain, all those
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
And we did a good job, and
Hmm.
over the years in Pune, I did a good job in rest of Maharashtra, but I never knew there was something called a recognition. I was very naive. So मेरे को ये सब समझ नहीं आता था, कुछ अवार्ड भी मिलता है कुछ. So my super super boss, मेरे बॉस का बॉस, he was
Hmm.
the MD, मिस्टर अकील मोहम्मद. ही कॉल्ड मी, बॉम्बे वाले तो थोड़ा कम काम करते हैं तुमसे, पर उनको अवार्ड्स मिलती है, मैगजीन में आ रहा है, तुम अब इतना काम करते हो, तुम्हारा क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, गिव मी समथिंग व्हाट
Oh.
you've done.
Oh.
And he put that, and he ensured
Submission.
that I was in the magazine in the next month in
Mm-hmm.
Coca-Cola,
Mm-hmm.
Coca-Cola's magazine, and I was awarded as the yearly best key account manager
Wow.
for that year. And I
Yeah.
went to Bombay to receive my award. So the
Hmm.
first time I knew that ऐसा भी कुछ होता
होता
है.
है. Yeah.
So all of those so I have been really blessed with good uh, uh, you know uh, male people around me
Yeah. Yeah. Those are the great counsels. They are
who
someone
are
who are
not insecure,
insecure,
basically, right?
totally self-assured. Like I said, these have to be self-assured men who are not either jealous or get
Yes.
insecure that, oh my god, ye aage nikal jayegi. How about you yourself, Ankita? Of course, I've
Yeah.
heard about your husband and to some extent your family, but are there
Yes.
more people that you attribute your success to, really?
Yes, I would definitely like to mention outside my family, because, of course, my family is my first ecosystem who have enabled me to do everything that I am today. And right from my school days, so I had like a maths teacher who was always very supportive, very encouraging for
Hmm.
me. So that was the first one where I really got that kind of support. And going further in my college days as well, so there was a professor in computer science who was very supportive again, and for whatever initiatives I wanted to take, whatever I wanted to aim for going ahead in my career, he was always very supportive about it. So at every step, like during my academic journey, I have received that support from specifically the male members. That,
Male
yes, that's what I
teachers.
would like to
Interesting.
highlight
Yeah.
here. And then going further in my professional journey also, and everyone in my senior management, I have received the due recognition. And actually, we do talk about a lot about the workplace bias,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
again,
Hmm.
I have been blessed so to actually never face it for
Hmm.
myself.
Hmm.
And like in the current consulting that I am doing, so it's a CEO of the company who keeps encouraging me, and like always telling me to achieve more,
Yeah.
to do more, and because he feels that I have the potential and
Yeah.
I can actually do things. And again, even when I go out, meet many clients and companies out there, sorry, who are like MNCs or even like the smaller companies. So everywhere I have felt that kind of difference, that
Hmm.
when you come from a position of power yourself, when you present yourself the way, they take it that way.
Hmm.
They'll not take you as a weak or someone who would just settle for anything.
Yeah.
So they also change their perspective.
Perspective. Yeah.
So
They're
I think,
open to that.
yes.
So कहीं narrative ये तो नहीं हो रहा है कि
Mm.
women ही women uh, के around bias रख रही है.
No, I
I
don't want
hope
to
it's not going in
say
that
that.
direction, that
Yeah.
maybe men are the silent supporters who always were, and perhaps they're really wanting to
Mhm.
be. But in this whole noise of what we are otherwise saying sisterhood economy and all of that, somewhere deep down women are not okay with the other woman's progress. Kuch aisa to nahi hai na scene.
So actually, not really. I
हाँ,
actually started to believe in
ये भी जेंडर
initial,
बायस हो सकता
ha,
है.
yeah, initial years of my career, because initially, and even I got like especially 3 to 4 years when I started my job. So I had a female boss, and I did face this, like
Really?
females are not supporting females, kind of. So I was very very frustrated that time. I didn't know how to vent it out, and I was expecting more support and more encouragement, because she's also a female, and she should be, more encouraging towards it. And then I realized it's some feeling of insecurity also,
Hmm.
and things that I faced. So I kind of formed an image that, maybe this is another kind of
Yeah.
bias that happens.
Yeah.
But as I rised up the ladder and met more people, so now I have, some mentors who are female, and I very much revere them for, all the
Hmm.
support and
Hmm.
guidance they've been doing
Yeah.
to me.
Yeah.
And I would specifically like to mention, so I have Namrata as my mentor, and she's been the biggest support I have.
Wow.
And so again, we now come
Yeah.
to allyship. I think that
Allyship.
really
Yeah.
matters
Yeah. That's
in
that's what I was
whatever we
getting
want
to.
to achieve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about you? Like, have you actually in this ecosystem? Great that both of you have spoken about men, but kahin women are. I hope they're not left behind. कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि silently they are the one who are like, we don't want you to grow. ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं कभी आपने face किया ना?
So I had a mix of bad bosses, male and female both.
Both. Okay.
But yes, I just had one female boss with me, and she was really not that cool.
Hmm.
I mean, she did say, "Shalini, तुम्हारे बच्चे हैं, तुम इतना काम कैसे कर लेती हो? मैं तो मम्मी को ये कहती हूँ कि तुम्हें अभी घर पे बैठ के उनका ख्याल रखना चाहिए." So under the line, she was trying to
Oh.
cut my this thing. And
Yeah.
whereas me, and I always found very relatable when I used to speak to the male bosses, because they would understand a perspective. Maybe
Hmm.
perhaps you have your wife
Yeah.
at your home,
Hmm.
and an unmarried female boss is a red flag.
Hmm.
But yes, today luckily I never decided it this way. While whole work the entire time I have had my nice journey with the male clan. Today I have a team which is 90% girls.
Wow. Wow.
So everybody is working
Really
virtually.
nice.
Hmm.
Everybody, so we have our targets, and end of the month I want results. Now
Hmm.
you work it 2 days a day, 2 days a week.
Hmm.
You work 20 days a month. I don't care. So it
Hmm.
is like your results have to be
Yeah.
proven. So that is how things are moving, and
Hmm.
it's really doing great. I
Yeah.
mean, at least I'm
So,
not a bad boss.
yeah, yeah, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I think you are really
Yes.
mentoring them well and just giving them the right direction and light. Just gets me to another point of, वही अगर हम bias की ही बात करें, if I take it a little further, you've chosen the kind of fields you've chosen. Again, ऐसी कोई बहुत ज़्यादा precedence नहीं है ना? Women in technology, of course, we've seen them, but the way that you are doing it, maybe not many women are in that specific field of work. Have you seen something come in your way where maybe it's not your team, but it's coming from an external agency like a client or something like that? कि आप क्यों ये या कोई और नहीं है टीम में जिससे हम बात कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, so honestly, yes, I did encounter,
Yeah.
such happenings. So essentially, what used to happen, like when me and my co-founder, we both used to go to, some potential clients, pitch for a project, initial days of our startup. So we both come from a technology background,
Hmm.
and I am more of a coder. Like, I've always been experimenting, coding, and a lot more into the technical stuff
Hmm.
compared to my co-founder. But because he's a male, people used to direct all technical questions to him
To
only.
him. Yeah.
And I was obviously infuriated that time, So that's where, I faced it, a lot many times. Anything related to technology, they assumed it
Yeah.
will be him who
Yeah.
would do it.
Yeah.
And then sometimes, when because initially we were also working on
Hmm.
delivering the projects
Hmm.
for some time before we could hire a team. So that time also, if he said that, okay, she will be taking care of this, so they'll be like, okay, so she'll do the development, she'll she'll do it. So even these things of
Yeah.
maybe unintentional bias, but I
Yeah.
did encounter these
These
cases.
things,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. In your case, Shalini, I mean, of course, I'm sure it mustn't be so in your journey as an employee, like when you were with a corporate, but as an entrepreneur, have people really look back at you and said that और कोई नहीं है क्या, आप ही से बात करनी है क्या, is there a male,
Yeah, yeah.
part two to the business, or how have you really navigated such conversations and situations?
So, I was mentioning also that, in travel, uh, basically it happens more for travel.
Travel, okay.
Because team mein I know I am the queen, so I will be
Yeah.
the queen. But travel may in a networking forum where I joined for the category of travel, I wasn't getting much of queries.
Hmm.
And the event manager who had joined our chapter, he was getting the travel queries as well, though
Hmm.
it was not his category.
Category, yeah.
And I just went on to do one-to-ones with a few people who were
Hmm.
giving him business. And they said that we're comfortable talking to him,
Yeah.
because if I'm doing a dealers meet and if I have to send my dealers outside, there are a lot of arrangements that have to be made,
Hmm.
and that I can't talk to you.
Oh.
And I said, that's my duty. You do get your arrangement. So your basic stay and travel, I can always take care of.
Yeah.
But that gap is always there.
There.
And they are not the middle kind of business class people. I'm talking from the high class society.
Yeah.
I mean the people who were owners of big brands,
Hmm.
who run multi-chain brands.
Hmm.
This is coming from them.
Them.
So, yes, there is a thought process which is brewing on top,
Hmm.
and that is flowing in.
Yeah.
So, people will come to you, आप senior citizen trip करा दोगे, आप mom and kids करा दोगे, but dealers trip नहीं, लड़कों
Hmm.
से बात करनी है मुझे.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
So, that always happened.
So there will always be certain kind of jobs. I mean, I'm just trying to decode it,
Hmm.
because interesting that we spoke about this. But again, it takes me to another line of thought. But before that, that there will be certain kind of jobs that we as a society have become too comfortable to just see men do it, and then there is certain set that we are okay, that okay, this is in woman's hand and so it is safe, or it's done in a certain way, and और man करेगा तो obviously ये बड़ा ही different होएगा, चाहे वो category same ही हो.
Yeah.
So moving back to your education, where you hail from, your family, just give me the construct of your life a little bit.
Sure. So I belong to Jabalpur.
Hmm.
It's a town in Madhya Pradesh, and so my entire childhood has been into different places because my
Hmm.
dad has a transferable job, and he was working into state government. So I had different experiences right from childhood, and moving to different cities. And I would say, like, when it comes to me actually changing cities, so I went for my graduate studies to Roorkee, where I did my BTech, and then I came here in Delhi when I was starting my first job. So this entire journey has been like really, I would say, simple,
Hmm.
in the
Hmm.
sense, like, I did not have challenges of the kinds that people usually have,
Hmm.
but I was the one always creating them for myself. So, like when we say, we
Yeah.
expect too much from ourselves,
Yeah.
most of the times. So, going back to my school days again, it was very difficult for me to take failure. I always
Hmm.
wanted to be, I have to be first here. I have to win this competition. Everywhere I used to be like that. And even when, I was in my college, university, I carried the same attitude. And usually what happens is the only kind of failure that we can have in these things is like, okay, we'll not win, or we might just fail in maybe some certain subject or something.
Hmm.
And that is not really a big thing to
Yeah.
get. But eventually when we started this company, and then we realized, what real failure is.
Yeah, yeah.
So initial days were definitely tough.
Mm.
And so because we bootstrapped, we were like, okay, we will, do it from our own, and we would not be taking any funding. So there were days where we did not have enough to, even buy food. And we
Really?
were like, okay, no, we are not going to tell our parents, because
Oh,
they will come support us. And then, we will lose that motivation, or,
yeah,
that we will become weak.
yeah.
So that was a very interesting, and I would say a turning point. So since that, we ensured, okay, now this kind of a situation should not come. So there were like 3 days, and we were like कि नवरात्रि का टाइम था, एंड वी वर लाइक चलो अभी तो भंडारा लगा है, 2 टाइम तो उसी में खा लेते हैं. So that was a thing.
Really?
And yeah, and we were also scared to tell this to anyone, because मम्मी पापा तक पहुंच गया तो they'll be like, what the hell are you doing?
Doing, yeah, after all the
So,
education, after
yeah, and
every,
leaving
yeah,
a good high paying job in an
job,
MNC
yeah,
and doing this.
yeah,
So it was but yeah, now when I remember it, it was like a real good experience.
yeah.
And then building up a team from scratch, and sometimes again we do see failures, like
Mm.
when we maybe lose a big client, or maybe it's just the market industry things, like what happened during the pandemic
Mm.
time. So there are ups and downs, and then I realized, okay, what real failure is.
Mm.
And then
Mm.
learning to navigate that path yourself,
Yeah.
to handle all that kind of emotional stress, and that really requires a big deal. So
Mm.
I would say, like, from all of this, my takeaway is like, if you are fearless and you continue believing in yourself,
Mm.
things will get better.
Get back in
Yeah,
place.
eventually everything will fall in place.
Yeah.
Just continue believing in yourself.
In yourself, which
Yeah.
which is a which are big words actually, and I
Yes.
think it
And
has
easier said than
easier
done.
said than done, and it has a
Yeah.
bigger meaning and value as you even do it.
Yes.
One तो होता है कि हाँ हाँ ये तो सभी बोलते हैं, but जब आप कर लेते हो तो
हाँ.
ये like, oh my god, इसलिए सब बोलते हैं. So just coming to your entrepreneurships and your ventures now, so much that you have dabbled in life, from corporate life, to then getting into one adventure, and now second time adventure with the entrepreneurship. Just take me through your decisions, and also take me through that what has really worked for you. Yeah.
So I think one is consistency, and trying to always be independent and
Hmm.
not build your independence based on others.
Others. Yeah.
It should be yours, because
Hmm.
your failure will be yours, your win will be yours.
Hmm.
So when I opened travel, because I didn't know anything apart from
Hmm.
selling coke,
Hmm. Hmm.
but I traveled a lot, so I
Hmm.
knew that my niche. I was a good event planner, so
Hmm.
because I was the only girl in a big team of boys in coke,
Okay.
I used to plan all the outings and
Hmm.
events and anything. So I developed that that's the niche that I can start working on. I didn't know
Okay.
whether it'll fail or it'll work,
Yeah.
and I opened my travel firm. Today it's standing strong at 9 years. I do it at my comfort space, because I will take up 5 queries, do it very well, so that those 5 queries come back to me next time,
Yeah.
and plus
Add
add-ons.
on.
And yes, today because my sons are I think they are quite old. One is in 12th and the other is in 8th,
Mm.
so they have given me enough time. I wanted to have that thing that मुझे कुछ अब बड़ा करना है,
Yeah.
and वो बड़ा करने के लिए I think destiny had planned it.
Mhm.
They put me to a beverage industry,
Yeah. Back
where
in the
I
beverage.
where I started from.
From.
And I'm really thankful, because I think somewhere or the other the universe is closing the 360-degree circle for me.
Yeah.
I had never in my dream also thought that I would enter the tea world.
Mm-hmm.
So
True.
that's this.
Tell me about it. Again, one of a very, sort of a nascent industry, I would still say. Of course, there are many players and tea has been around, but the kind of work and the specialization and the finesse with which you're doing it, how are you building it up, and what is really working for you?
So there are two things that really work well. One is when you have your own tea blending unit,
Okay.
and when you know the tea very well.
Hmm.
So I didn't have either. So initially 3 years back, and I had my share of falls
Yeah.
where people quoted me anything, people gave me anything कि green tea का upper quality है पर वो दिया बिल्कुल third grade quality.
Hmm.
Then I started studying tea, and
Okay.
when I studied tea I started knowing the nuances.
तो ट्रेनिंग और अपस्किलिंग की ना
Kari,
आपने पूरी पूरी
bilkul,
की
bilkul.
हाँ हाँ
And I've cleared 5 papers, another 3 papers before I enter into the tea sommelier
पेपर्स फॉर
tea. So I'm doing a executive course for tea,
ओके
and from the online sector of Tea Institute of Canada
ओके
from Toronto.
सो लाइक यू बिकम अ क्वालिफाइड टी
Tea sommelier,
सोमिलियर
yeah.
ओके
Once I pass my eighth paper
ओके
with blind cupping.
ओके
So blind cupping
Wow.
is where you're given teas and you have to identify without their names written on it what are the teas, what is the flavor, which country does it belong to. So that is how it is done.
वाओ
And I started studying tea, and in between all the ups and downs, I started making my own core team of tea blenders. And today we're building a tea unit in Pune while we
ओह
talk.
That's good.
And I think 15th April it should be up and running.
ओह वाओ
And today I have the best people who trust me. So there are bigger brands than me, there are richer brands than me, but the kind of products that I have developed, and I have helped them upskill their skills also, because they
Okay.
were already tea blenders. But I rejected their teas. I said ये तो नहीं चलेगा मार्केट में, ये तो ये भी बेचता है, ये तो ये भी बेचता है, कोई टीआई के पास क्यों आएगा. So that is how they have also collaborated, because they've seen something in that. So product development has to be very strong,
yeah
and your in-house infrastructure to develop that product, because if you do not have that basic structure, I'm not saying if you required acres of factory you have to build that. A basic structure, tea blending unit will require only a shed and a small room,
The
because
core of it.
Okay.
the core of it,
Okay.
otherwise you don't need anything. But if you have it, you can blend it in front of you, you can show the sample. So your product and your product development has to be very strong,
Wow.
and that is my strength today. So even if I don't have a tea, and if you tell me that you want a particular kind of tea, I have the team that can create
Blended.
that for you.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so all of my tea except the vintage collection, the kava cutting and the masala chai, because that has to be had in milk or just like black tea. I think I've created a tea blend which can be had cold and hot.
Okay.
So like the other day in the tea tasting session, she was also there,
Yeah.
and we made that vodka tea.
Oh wow.
Now vodka,
I loved it.
Can I have
Yeah.
some?
So vodka tea is a non-alcoholic version of tea. It is a tea blended with ingredients.
Okay.
Now, initially, we just in the first vodka tea was not that good, because I said I didn't know what was it.
Working on it.
So
yeah.
infusions डाल दिया उन्होंने. But I said नहीं, ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा. So a friend of mine in a one of these clubs was drinking vodka based cocktail. I said there's some there are some chilies on it, there are some ginger, there are some oranges. I went back अगले दिन मैं अपने टी ब्लेंडर को बोली कि I said what are you having? She said margarita. I said मैं टी ब्लेंडर को margarita का रेसिपी बनाओ हमारे चाय के साथ.
अच्छा.
And we started doing what has gone inside margarita,
Margarita.
and we blended that, and hence you saw those chili flakes and that
Right.
lemon tint and everything. So you can
Okay.
actually see the tea,
Wow.
and you can make it hot or cold.
Or cold. Wow.
You love it either ways.
Interesting.
So each blend of mine, apart from the three that I mentioned,
Yeah.
you can have it hot or cold.
Wow. I mean it's a must try for me. We have spoken so
Yes.
much about the tea. मुझे चास लगी है चास.
Chas lagi.
So more power and kudos to you, because you are the women who lead, who inspire, who dream, and who kind of show us the way that if you can do it, I'm sure we can do it too.
So, if you would like to invite someone who is an unstoppable human or would just want to have a conversation with me, write to me at unboundwithmamta@gmail.com. That is unboundwithmamtaa@gmail.com. You can also follow my Instagram @Mamta Podcaster. That is MAMTAA Podcaster.
All right, we are back on Unbound Specials with two formidable women who are really leading the space, their own dream they are living, and they are the ones who have dreamt it, dared it, and achieved it. Um, Welcoming you back, continuing with the celebration with the theme of International Women's Day, women who dream, women who inspire. And here we are, all about inspiring inclusion, inspiring each other, being each other's support, being each other ecosystem. So just continuing with that energy and zest again. This is pretty much the last leg of the show, which I called a rapid reflex round. Here, I just throw at you a quick volley of questions, and I want your answers one after the other. Maybe I'll just cue you with my, just like eye contact, and in a word or maximum a sentence.
Oh,
Are
that's
you
going to be a
ready
test.
for this,
Yeah.
Ankita and Shalini? All right, starting from you. Never have you ever. Just complete this sentence for me.
Dreamt and not done.
Oh, never have you ever.
Thought about failing.
All right. Life, really, what does it mean to you? One word.
Happiness.
All about enjoying it.
All right. Failure, personally, to you is Ankita.
Another stepping stone to learning. And always, I think, somewhere I can achieve more.
Learning.
Learn.
Use every failure as a learning.
As a learning. Wow. One book that you're currently reading, if you are a reader?
Yes, I am. So this is The Big Little Things, and I am really liking it.
So, don't laugh, girls. I have started reading Mahabharata.
Oh.
So I have learned that Krishna's lessons were really nice, and they still play a role on in your entrepreneurial journey or any life that you have.
I agree.
Joy, to you is?
Smiling always.
Traveling and brewing tea.
Wow. Well said. Entrepreneurship to you is?
Entrepreneurship is a beautiful journey, yet lonely. But when you win it, you own it.
For now, it's life for
Yeah,
me.
Yeah, entrepreneurship is life for you. Okay. Success, in one word, how would you define it?
When you feel that you have achieved what you wanted.
Super.
Is temporary.
Wow. Such contradictory answers.
Yeah.
Super. The wind under your wing is?
My family, my kids, they have grown up to the to the people I always thought of making them.
So that's kind of further infusing you to go take a
just,
flight.
Just take your flight.
Wow. How about you, Ankita?
My husband and my sister.
Interesting. One go-to place for you on this earth, like no brainer. यहाँ तो मैं कभी भी जा सकती
It's
हूँ.
Goa. I never get bored out of it.
Yeah.
I can do n number of times.
Yeah.
Goa, yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now, but I have two more. One is Kunnur, the tea city
Yeah.
now that we have. And one I feel very powerful when I go to Kamakhya.
Oh, wow. Very interesting.
Yeah.
Very, very interesting. One thing you want to just leave our women, our viewer who are watching here, just one thought, maybe an inspiring quote, or maybe, just one thought you want to leave everyone here with today.
Just don't dream. Dream with your open eyes and pursue your dreams. No matter you fail, but at least you will not have a regret that you never tried.
How beautiful.
Be fearless and create your own path. Doesn't matter if it has already been traveled or not. Be fearless about creating your own path, following it, and believing in it.
Wow. I think with that, both of you have truly come unbound on this episode of Unbound Special. I am really grateful, thankful to each of you to being so unabashed, to being who you are, to really standing that tall and strong, and really kind of, filling us also with that energy that, yes, yeah, hum kar sakte hain. Thanks so much for gracing the show, and to more power together. So let's keep unbounding
Absolutely.
together. Can we say that all of us into the mic? This is just
Yes,
like a sign
sure.
off line. Let's keep
Unbounding
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 together.
together.
Thank you so much for tuning into this episode, and for all the episodes you can come back to Unbound with Mamta, now available on 20 plus audio streaming platforms: Spotify, Amazon, Ghana, iTunes, Google Podcasts, or wherever else you get your audio. We are also available on YouTube at the Boss Hub channel. So keep unbounding together.